Hello, dear children. Let's start the lesson The Wonder Called Sleep, where we left in the previous video. In this part, we are going to discuss the chapter in the following points. A dream is an activity of the mind when we are asleep. Dreams help us sleep through noise and other disturbances. Dreams may reveal something about one's problems, but they cannot tell the future. These points we are going to describe in the upcoming following paragraph. What is dream? It is an activity of the mind that takes place when we are asleep. The definition of dream is it is an activity of our mind. It happens when we are asleep. Some dreams are probable while others are not. When we are dreaming, you might have remembered that many times we get realistic dreams, the things which are really possible in life. But at times we are seeing which are not at all probable, which are not at all possible. That only means that many of the things that happen in dreams could happen when we are awake. So in a way, we can say many things which happen in our dreams can occur in our real life too. When we are awakened, others could not. And some of the things what we see in our dreams, some other things are not at all possible. Dreams seem to be important for several reasons. But like sleep, dreams are also important for us because of so many reasons. Now, why dreams are important? One is that a dream can help us to sleep through noise or other disturbances. First benefit of dream is you might have experience when you are dreaming early morning. So you sleep for longer hours. Because dream has the capability to make us sleep in spite of disturbances. For example, the alarm clock rings, but our mind causes us to dream that the telephone or doorbell is ringing and that we are awake and answering it. Because at time our alarm bell is ringing, but we are also capable to dream at that time related to that or some other one. Because dream has the power to make us sleep in spite of disturbances. Certain doctors have found that one's dreams often reveal a great deal about one's problems and that if understood correctly, they can provide a key to the solution of those problems. Certain doctors have realized that what we are dreaming, at times we see dreams which are related to our life, and sometimes we are getting the questions of our life, answers of the various questions what we are facing in our life, and dreams can help us in that. But we must remember one thing. Dreams cannot be used as a way to tell the future. But at the same time, science knows the importance of dreams. But science is not claiming that with the help of dreams you can get your future. No, it is not possible as far as the writer is concerned. They simply can never tell the future. The writer says, dreams can never tell you your future. Dreams can help you to sleep in spite of disturbance. Sleep is the most common experience, but how many of us really think about the wonder and power of sleep? Everybody knows sleep. Everybody is sleeping. Everybody knows the importance of sleep, but many of us are unaware about the power of sleep. Many poets have written beautiful poems about sleep. Many poets have written many poems about sleeps, And here is one in which the poet is describing the experience of falling asleep. Read it loud. Now, the writer is talking about one particular poem about sleep. I have come to the borders of sleep, the unfathomable deep. Meaning, I have come from the borders of sleep. I want to know the depth of sleep, but it cannot be measured. Forests where all must lose their way, however straight or winding, soon or late, they cannot choose. That maybe they are coming from a forest directly, they are straightforward, they are coming, still it is difficult not to forget our way there. There is not any book or face or dearest look that I would not turn from. Now to go into the unknown I must enter and leave alone, I know not how. The poet in these lines is saying the importance of sleep. He wants to know the wonders of sleep, and he wanted to do anything just to get this knowledge. I hope, dear children, you all have followed it and the things are clear to you. Thank you.